Pour tamarind water into a pan. Heat it over medium heat until boiling. Once it starts boiling, add salt, red chili powder, paprika and garlic. Stir well. Now add coriander powder, which will make it thick. Stir well again. Add tartaric acid and cumin seeds and continue cooking for 10 to 15 minutes or until sauce has thickened enough to pour. Once the sauce is ready, cool it at room temperature and transfer to jar. This sauce can be stored in freezer for up to 4 months.